So here is the little kitty, and these are our treat bags. These are just the standard treat bags from Dollar Tree, Walmart. I stuffed some candy in it. The kitty stitches out just like a feltie. It does some little stitches right here before your last step. Then the last step does the backing, so you have an opening right here. I find it easiest to use my sucker thing to shove through just to get it open. Then I'm gonna put my twisty tie through it. I'm going to put it across my bag, and you have your cute little kitty that hangs from your bag. I'll make different versions of these for whatever other holidays, for parties, and you can stuff whatever you want in them. So you have your cute little kitty that hangs from here. If you want an extra cuteness, these are just the regular, I don't know, crocodile thingies. You can use the little punch and go right through his little hand, and he can hold a dum-dum on top of that. So I just think these are super cute to be able to hand out. Just a little something extra, especially if you live in a little community or you have preschoolers or little kids, even older kids. There'll be different ones, but it's that easy. This guy stitches out in about, I think it was like 5 minutes. Takes a little longer to cut him, of course, but there he is. Thanks, guys. Bye.